This is Craig Miller, and this script, Assign Selected Objects, is designed to help animators, and riggers for that matter, streamline the selection of objects in, say for example, an FK chain. This is a fairly typical FK chain where we have a series of controllers parented with objects in between there. Sometimes they may have various attributes assigned to them, so we need the extra padding to keep all the assignments separate. This will help us select reflection objects and sidestep the group nodes to select the controllers. Left finds the reflected object and will toggle between the two, and the up and down hotkeys have been replaced. If you actually need to go up and down to the parent and child, you can use the control key, and that will allow you to do that. So I'll start from scratch and walk through the assignment of reflections and parent-child, and then we'll assign some hotkeys to make it all work. So here is a fresh scene without any assignments, and as you can see, we just have a sequence of controllers padded by their parents to zero them out or maybe assign extra functionality, parent switching, and the like. But it's difficult to get from one object to the next. You have to go up through all the parents to get to the object, and when you're going down in the other direction, almost inevitably you select the shape node of the controller rather than the child, which means you then have to use the left arrow key to pick walk left, and then you pick walk down again and you hit another shape node. This software is designed to alleviate that. So let's look at assigning a reflection. We have mirrored controllers, quite similar to the way you might get in a standard rig. So I'm going to select my two end controllers and go assign reflection. Then I'll take the next controllers up the chain and do the same. Assign reflection. And now I'll select the controllers in their parent-child state. So the order of selection is quite important. I'll start with the top and work down to the end of the chain, and then assign parent-child. And I'll do the same on this side. Assign parent-child. As yet, nothing has changed. We need to assign the hotkeys, so we'll do that. Assign hotkeys. And now when I select that object and use the up arrow, it skips the two parent nodes and goes to the selected object. Likewise, if I select the left arrow key, it will pop across to the assigned reflection object, and I can move up the chain that way or back down. When I get to the bottom, it will toggle back up to the top, so I can continue making selections that way. Select the mirror, and the left mouse button will select the mirror for each of these objects. While the hotkeys have overridden the standard default hotkeys, you can pick walk up, down by using the control up and down arrows, and that will use the standard pick walk up and down attribute. And the same with the control left arrow, although in this case that doesn't make much difference. So up and down, left and left. And if you want to use the standard pick walk up and down, just hold the control key down and work the up and down arrows accordingly. I hope you're able to use my tool successfully. It should speed up some of the aspects of animating a character.